that could be coming to you soon. Although Canada is known for its great reputation of easily accessible and provincially funded healthcare, the system is actually facing many issues that are negatively affecting the quality of the services for people just like you.
The first problem Canadians are faced with is the fraud and security issue within the healthcare system.
We spend trillions of dollars on healthcare in this country, and we see about 80 billion of that is fraud.
The healthcare system also suffers from medical errors made by doctors and inefficiencies such as the messiness of the paper trail.
Following the methods most hospitals use to report mistakes, they found just 35 errors. But when they used a new, more comprehensive computerized method, they found a stunning 354 mistakes.
The third major issue that hospitals and clinics face are scheduler conflicts, which increases wait times for patients and contributes to the scarcity of physicians and services available for Canadians.
Only about 40% of Canadians say they're able to see their doctors within a couple days of calling.
Most importantly, the main underlying problem of these issues is the lack of connectivity and standardization of how hospitals, clinics, and doctors across the country are sharing data with one another.
Desire, a local Kingston consulting agency, has developed a solution to combat these issues. Now I'm going to pass it off to Anna, who is with the head consultant, to talk more about their new product and digital business model.
Thanks, Laura. Desire Consulting has developed a new product that will redefine the healthcare industry. The product is called D2H, or Desire to Heal. It's an electronic system that will digitally connect all patients' data into one base, while being accessible by the patient's respective doctors from throughout the country. The patients will be able to access their information on the web through a secure account. That's not all. The D2H system will have a scheduling software for healthcare providers that will take into account various different statistics describing doctors. Then, it will schedule the doctors based on these factors and create pairings that will promote efficiency and synergy. I have here today the head consultant with me, Kristen McKay. Kristen, why don't you talk more about the value of D2H and what we'll bring to all Ontarians?
For sure, Anna. Our product adds value to the lives of all Canadians. It fulfills a need for the patients, hospitals, and the government. The D2H system will add value to patients by allowing them to follow their medical records from anywhere, therefore improving the healthcare transparency. Secondly, our platform will reduce human error in diagnosis through proactive deterrence from the Watson system, as well as post-error doctor accountability. D2H will be very patient-friendly, as it only requires patient health cards, something that we all currently own. This will make for an easy transition. Lastly, D2H will add value to the doctors by allowing them to be efficiently scheduled, while the Watson capabilities will reduce patient wait time, thus increasing doctor commission per day.
Thanks, Kristen. Now back to HQ.
Thanks, Anna. Now we'll pass it over to Evan, who's in Kingston right now.
I'm here at the Smith School of Business, where Desire Consulting Group first came up with the D2H digital business model to solve the healthcare problems in Ontario. They've created a 6-step implementation plan. First step is to announce the plan, followed by a second step, which is to create test models and then implement tutorials for nurses and doctors and patients. Step 3 is to actually release the product, followed by step 4, which is to implement the product and the ERM technology into hospitals using a schedule developed by the government. Step 5 is to transfer the data onto the actual software. Step 6 is finally to create Watson integration and provide feedback for patients and doctors.
Thanks, Evan. That's it for this story. Thanks for tuning in.